kapaskuhan. Marami mang pinagdaanan, pag-asa't liwanag ang laging laan. At anuman ang mangyari, sa Kanya lumalapit palagi. Ikaw at ako, naghahatid ng ngiti, laging isa sa puso, ipapangako. Magsasaya ang bawat isa, sabay-sabay na magdiriwang, pag-asa, pagmamahal, serbisyong may puso. Dahil dito, gawin natin merry ang vibes ng Pasko.
Isang taus-puso pong pasasalamat sa inyong lahat. Asahan nyo na patuloy ang Riverside Hospital sa pagbibigay ng serbisyong may puso.
Aming ligaya, kayaw ay paglingkuran, pasanin mo'y mapapagaan. Sa dilim kami ang iyong tanglaw, isang biyaya, ito ang diwa ng Kapaskuhan.
The Riverside Medical Center is committed to making you feel better. Patuloy po kami sa pagbibigay ng serbisyong may puso. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Naghahatid ng ngiti, laging isa sa puso, ipapangako. Magsasaya ang bawat isa, sabay-sabay na magdiriwang, pag-asa, pagmamahal, serbisyong may puso. Dahil dito,
may all that is beautiful, meaningful, and brings you peace and joy be yours this holiday season. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Merry, natin merry ang vibes ng Pasko. Iba man ang aming ginagawa, gusto namin na isa para sa Pilipino.
Ang ini nga Pasko para gid sa tagsa-tagsa nga pamilya. From the Riverside Medical Center family, a blessed Merry Christmas.
Masaya ang bawat isa, sabay-sabay na magdiriwang, pag-asa, pagmamahal, serbisyong may puso. Dahil dito, natin merry ang vibes ng Pasko.
In this festive season, I would like to thank our incredible team of doctors, nurses, and staff for their tireless efforts and dedication. To our valued clients, we are committed to making you feel better. In behalf of the Nursing Service Division, I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas.
Maglilingkod ng may puso, laging kasama, kahit saan pa mapunta.
May this Christmas bring peace to your hearts, warmth to your homes, and renewed energy for the year ahead. In the midst of all the partying, abundance, and gift-giving, let us never forget that Christ is the reason for the season's celebration. In behalf of the Riverside Medical Center Engineering and General Services Division, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year ahead.
This holiday season and throughout the entire year, we remain committed to make you feel better in health, heart, and spirit. Merry Christmas from the Riverside Medical Center and a blessed 2025. Blessed with good health, peace of mind, love of family and friends, and success in all your undertakings.
Sa Kanya lumalapit palagi, ikaw at ako, naghahatid ng ngiti, laging isa sa puso.
Merry Christmas, one and all. As we usher in this joyous time with festivities and celebrations, may we all continue to remember the real reason for this season, our Lord Jesus Christ. May we also remember that more than the material gifts, it is His presence in our lives that we should be most thankful for. We at Riverside wish you and your family a season of peace, love, joy, sharing, and receiving. We remain service with a heart.
Na isa para sa Pilipino, maglilingkod ng may puso, laging kasama, kahit saan pa mapunta. Masaya ang bawat isa.
Merry Christmas! As the world sparkles with light and joy this season, may your heart be filled with warmth, love, and hope. Christmas is a time of togetherness, reflection, and gratitude. And I hope it brings you moments of peace and happiness, surrounded by those you cherish most. May your days be merry and bright, your home warm and inviting, and your spirit renewed with wonders of this season. Here's to laughter, good health, and countless blessings in the year ahead. Wishing you and your loved ones a truly magical Christmas.